Hi guys, we are discussing here about the Mauryan Empire. Here, the question is mention two literary sources of Mauryan Empire. Two main literary sources of the Mauryan Empire are first Arthashastra by Kautilya and Indica by Megasthenes. What was the extent of Chandragupta's empire is the second question. For this answer, I have made a map of Chandragupta's Maurya's empire's extension. It is in this diagram you will see it is northeast from Kabul to west, northwest from Kabul to east up to Bengal, and from north Himalayas, and in south it is up to Narmada. What was the extent of Ashoka's empire? What was the extent of Ashoka's empire?
His empire stretched from Himalayas in the north to Mysore in the south, from the Hindu Kush in the northwest to Brahmaputra in the east.
Maurya's empire was extended from Himalayas in the north and in south.
But
Ashoka's empire was extended from Himalayas in the north to Mysore in the south. Mysore in the south, and Hindu Kush
in the northwest
to
to
Brahmaputra in the east. What was the term Dhamma Vijaya mean?
The term Dhamma Vijaya means conquest through dharma. Conquest through dharma.
Dharma Vijaya mean conquest to dharma. Through dharma. Conquest through dharma. But the dharma say Vijay. In which year Chandragupta Maurya overthrew Dhanananda?
Chandragupta Maurya overthrew Dhanananda in 321 BCE.
Chandragupta overthrew Dhanananda in 321
BCE. 321 BC.
321 BCE, before Christ.
Before Common Era.
321 BCE. Which war was the turning point of Ashoka's life?
The Kalinga War was the turning point in Ashoka's life.
And the answer is Kalinga War. Kalinga War. This was the turning point of Ashoka's life. What was the policy of Digvijaya replaced by? What was the policy of Digvijaya replaced by?
The policy of Digvijaya was replaced by Dhamma Vijaya.
The Digvijaya was replaced by Dhamma Vijaya. It was replaced by Dhamma Vijaya. And Dhamma Vijaya spell
DHAMM
DHAMMA Dhamma Vijaya. Mention two principles of Dhamma. Two principles of Dhamma.
What?
The two principles of Dhamma is, first is people should live in peace
And harmony.
and harmony. And the second is
People should be truthful, charitable, and kind to all.
truthful, charitable, and kind to all. The second principle of the Dhamma was people should be truthful, charitable, and kind to all. Where was the Kalinga located?
Kalinga was located between
Mahanadi and Godavari.
Godavari and Mahanadi near the Bay of Bengal.
Kalinga was located between Godavari and Mahanadi. Godavari and Mahanadi. Near Bay of Bengal. Near Bay of Bengal. How did Ashoka spread his messages? How did Ashoka spread his messages?
He spread his messages to the people through inscriptions on rocks and pillars.
Ashoka spread his messages through inscriptions on rock and pillars.
Through inscriptions written on rocks and pillars.
Ashoka spread his messages through inscriptions written on rocks or pillars. Inscriptions written on rocks or pillars. And thus, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel for more educational videos.